Yeah. Yeah, I woke up too late. It's filthy.
And then I do video work and stuff. You know Eurocharge?
Yeah.
Yeah, I work there for doing their photography and social media stuff.
Right.
So that's where we're trying to redo all of it right now. I just got hired a few days ago.
Nice.
So it's all a lot of fun. They
Yeah.
just had an Audi R8 in there.
Did that.
Bro, that thing is crazy. I couldn't think that something could be lower than that.
Yeah.
It was lower than that by a lot.
What color was it?
It was black.
The black one. Okay.
Yeah, it was just regular black, which honestly, you see Audis in there.
Yeah. My buddy's got a blue one. And his is lower. Well, he has airbags on it. But,
oh, got you. That makes sense.
but yeah, his like lays.
Yeah, what I got right now is a Mazda 6.
Nice.
V6 before they started putting 4 in them, but you know, works.
Hey, it works.
Yeah, exactly.
Nice.
Yeah, it was my dad's old drag racing car, so it has nitrous in the back. When you come into school with that on,
yeah.
just go
People are like, oh.
whoa, okay. You know, when you open the trunk,
right.
just somebody goes.
Oh, that's a race car. Whatever. I'll be around.
You see very many of those Buick on the street anymore?
What is that?
Those fast street, whatever the hell they were. Those back when T-type, that Grand Prix like that. The fastest
like
car, what's it called?
You talking about the Grand National?
Yeah, Grand National.
Yeah. No, you don't see a lot. Actually, I just saw one. Actually, he was leaving out of here when I was
hold
pulling
their value
in.
pretty good, or they?
Oh yeah, they're still expensive.
And
So what's funny is I honestly do not believe I'm going to beat him. And this is me being 100% honest. I do not think I'm going to beat him. Main reason being is I am going to spin like crazy. And then he'll be gone. His car's fast. I love his car. I love CTSVs, period. His car's fast. And so the fact that I'm going to spin, I know he'll probably be gone before I can even have a chance, to be honest with you. But I'm going to try it. Who knows? And you know,